once again. Sixth chapter, binomial theorem. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2A. This is the part number 39. Part 38 completed first three terms of the expansion. 1 plus x whole power p by q completed. 1 minus x whole power p by q model completed. 1 plus x whole power minus p by q model completed. 1 minus x whole power minus p by q model also be completed. Part 38. Today discuss part 39. Part 39 similar problems. Find the Roman number 1 question number 3 exercise 6b. Write down the first three terms of the expansion 1 minus 4x whole power minus 3. Like this 1 minus x whole power minus n or 1 plus x whole power minus n form. First of all, we have to take given expression. What is the given expression, sir? Here given expression is 1 minus 4x whole power minus 3. This is the given expression. In this given expression, in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus n, correct or not? Here 1 minus x whole power minus n is there. That's why this expression comparing with 1 minus x whole power minus n. 1 minus x whole power minus n. What is the value of x? Here x value is 4x, n value is 3. N value is 3. You can write 1 minus x whole power minus n expansion formula. What is the formula of 1 minus x whole power minus n? 1 minus x whole power minus n expansion is what here? Minus minus all terms are positive. That's why 1 plus n by 1 into x plus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus on so on undefined. This is the formula of, this one is the formula of 1 minus x whole power minus n expansion. In this formula, this is the expansion of 1 minus x whole power minus n. What is the expansion of 1 minus x whole power minus n? 1 plus n by 1 factorial into x plus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus on so on. What is the next term? N into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 3 factorial into x cube. Like this you can write expansion. Suppose this expansion is equation 1. In equation 1 substituted x is equal to 4x, n is equal to 3. X is equal to 4x, n is equal to 3. Substituted in equation 1. 1 implies, write down 1 minus x value is 4x whole power minus n value is 3 is equal to 1 plus n value. N value what here? 3 by 1 factorial into x value is 4x plus n into, n is nothing but 3 into n plus 1 nothing but 3 plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square nothing but 4x whole square plus on so on. This is the first term, this one is the second term, this one is the third term. First of all, expansion expanded. This is equal to 1 plus 3 by 1 factorial nothing but 1 into 4x plus 3 into 3 plus 1 value is 4 by 2 factorial nothing but 2 into 4x whole square nothing but 4 square into x square plus on so on. After that 1 plus 3 4s are 12x plus 2 1s are 2 2s are 3 2s are 6 into 4 square value 16 into x square plus on so on. Here you can write 2 ones are 2 2s are cancel, 3 2s are 6, 4 square value 16, x square nothing but x square. After that you can write 1 minus 4x all power minus 3 equal to 1 plus 12x 16 6 are 96 x square plus and so on. Therefore first three terms of the x function 1 minus 4x all power minus 3 is, what is the first term? First term is 1. What is the second term? Second term is 12x. What is the third term? Third term is 96 x square. These three terms are first three terms of the x function 1 minus 4x whole power minus 3. Next problem of write down the first three terms in the x function of 1 plus x by 2 whole power minus 5. First of all, what is the expression 1 plus x by 2 whole power minus 5? This expression already in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus n. 1 plus x whole power minus n. That's why this expression comparing with 1 plus x whole power minus n. What is the value of x? X value is x by 2, n value is 5. N value is 5. This expression, given expression in the form of 1 plus x all power minus n, nothing but that expression comparing with 1 plus x all power minus n. After that you get x value x by 2, n value 5. Okay, after that we can write formula 1 plus x all power minus n formula. Here positive power negative is there. You can expression positive negative coming to alternatively. That's why first term is 1 minus n by 1 factorial into x plus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square minus and so on. What is the expression of 1 plus x whole power minus n? 1 plus x whole power minus n expression is 1 minus n by 1 factorial into x plus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square minus and so on. Suppose this expression is 1. In this expression 1 you can write in equation 1 you can write x value x by 2, n value 5. X value x by 2, n value 5 substituted in equation 1. 1 implies you get 1 plus x by 2 whole power minus 5 is equal to x value x by 2, n value minus 5. After that n value 5 minus n nothing but minus 5. 1 minus n value is 5 by 1 factorial into x value is x by 2 plus n into n plus 1. n value 5, n plus 1 nothing but 5 plus 1 by 2 factorial into x by 2 whole square minus and so on. Expansion these terms. After that 1 minus 5 by 1 factorial nothing but 1 into 1 by 2 into x. 1 by 2 into x nothing but x by 2. After that 5 into 5 plus 1 6 by 2 factorial nothing but 2 into 1 by 2 whole square into x square minus and so on. X by 2 whole square nothing but 1 by 2 whole square into x square. After that 1 minus 5 into 1 by 2 nothing but 5 by 2x. After that 2 1s are 2 3s are cancelled. 5 into 3 into 1 square value 1, 2 square value 4, you get 1 by 4 x square minus and so on. After that we can write 1 minus 5 by 2 into x plus 5 3s are how much? 15 by 4 into x square minus and so on. This is the x function of 1 plus x by 2 whole power minus 5. Which x function? 1 plus x by 2 whole power minus 5 x function is 1 minus 5 by 2 into x plus 15 by 4 into x square minus and so on. After that first three terms. What is the first three terms? First three terms. What is the first three terms are here? First term is 1, second term is minus 5 by 2x. Here this is the first term, this one is the second term. What is the third term? Third term is 15 by 4x square. Here this is the first three terms of the x function, 1 plus x by 2 whole power minus 5. Next, assignment problem or homework problem of the previous problem model. Read the problem. Write down the first three terms in the x function of 1 plus 4x whole power minus 4. First of all, this expression in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus n, correct or not? You can write x value is 4x, n value is minus 4. X value is 4x, n value is minus 4. Nothing but n value is plus 4. Why? Because here you can compare 1 plus x whole power plus n, not minus n. That's why you can write n value is 4. After that you can write formula 1 plus x whole power minus n formula. What is the formula 1 plus x whole power minus n? 1 minus n by 1 factorial into x plus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square minus and so on. This is the formula of 1 plus x whole power minus n. In this formula, you can write x value is 4x, x value is 4x, n value is 4. Substituted in this expression, this is the first term, this is the first term, this one is the second term, this one is the third term. You can write separately by using commas the first three terms. This one is the first term, comma, second term, comma, third term. By using this hint, you can prove that this problem, previous problem model.